All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. How are we all doing? So today is Independent Day, right? And I promise you that I will give us update back to back today because I think I have free time to do so. Now, I saw this video and I felt like this is one of the problems. Like we have been talking about this thing, we have been saying it. You see people from the north promoting and championing, clamoring for protection and peace negotiation of bandits and terrorists. Not one, not two, not three. So many people from the northern part now, basically Fulanis, and some terrorist sympathizers that may not be Fulani, but they want to be like Fulani. They come from different regions. I don't want to start mentioning them, but you know what I'm talking about. Especially those who see themselves as Muslim and they want to champion jihad and the so-called Sharia law and what have you. So they have come out not one, not two, not three, time with that number, telling you how to treat terrorists very well, how to do this. They are proud. They are not hiding their face. But you see an Igbo man trying to hide, sweating when Biafra is being mentioned. Peter B one time ago, sometime ago, said that that Biafra is dead for 50, for the past 50 years. And that's the way he put it. I think that Biafra is dead, something like that, 50 years ago. Some like the video that I shared with you here on this channel this morning. You saw that young Adi Borojawai saying that not everybody is in support of this. Not everybody is in support of this. But when they're buying their people, they're okay. When the people try to stop people buying them, it becomes an issue. Why is it that our own always seem to be different in terms of who we are and what we are? Why? You know what? I think, and let me share it with you first before we come back to KCEE. Okay, just watch this.
My people, my brothers, my blood, they come visit us out here. They buy ice. And I welcome them. From today, I am a member of IIC. Once I just don't come out as president, creating Niger Delta, carry Yoruba State out for Niger Delta. This year, all political, they come against that peace. Those that know the promoting we know now was nowhere. South, north, and west and west. But today, they use politics to scatter us, to destroy us. No, we say we don't know. We know. But time don't come when we will say no, enough is enough. So, I am a member, 100% IIC. Oh, well, as an activist of Nigeria, activist of the world, I support them and they will do. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, in case if you are confused, this is General Asa Abuja. General Asa Abuja. That is this man you are seeing here. All right. And some people say that he's one of the militants, some say he's commander, but all I know is that he has his own armed group. I don't know if he's working with Asa Abuja, but I don't know much about him. Now, the word IIC is Indigenous Igbo Congress, River State. This our brother here, let me go back a little bit. This guy you are seeing here, okay, is an Ikwere man. You know, when you hear Ikwere, don't think, oh, Riverland is an Igbo man, please. Just like some of us are from Anyoma, okay, Igbo man as well. Just like some of us are from Izi in Ebonyi State, Igbo man, Izi. Some of us are from Udi in Enugu State, Igbo man. Some of us are from Soka in Enugu State, Igbo. Some of us are from Abreba. It just, you know, when you hear Ikwere, Abreba, Mbise, Mbitolu, Isukwato, Njikoka, these names are indigenous people in Igbo land. The dialects may be different a little bit, like mother tongue, like somebody who come from, let's say, from Oka, speak slightly different from somebody who comes from New. The language is not the same. They're all Igbo, but you have what we call the Igbos. What am I trying to tell you? That you are from Delta State, you are from this, does not mean that you are not who you are. Now, get it clear. This man decided to identify himself with IIC. In Delta today, you see some people making content, telling, trying to drag Igbo people. Oh, I am not Igbo. Igbo people did this to us during the Biafra war. My father was crying and my mother couldn't buy food. I was on, those stories. I've seen some of them from River State. And this one not from River State. They are, but they are the one that championing this Igbo unification. Credit to our brother Emeka Namen TV. He did a very good work, and not only that, he did it. Credit to this our brother from Riverine area, from Anyoma, from Ikwere, that are now telling the people the truth. I'm not saying you should go and preach falsehood. Give them time to think and assimilate the information if they want to end the so-called identity crisis that is destroying everything. They will do that. If not, no problem. It is their choice. Don't force anybody. Now, Asa Abuja, okay, not only that he decided to join, he keep on, he has made a series of videos, explaining things. Look at him here again. Hear what he said. Then after this, we now come back to KCEE Limpopo. Now, hear what Asa Abuja said here, okay?
People, I stand with on a day. My problem with Igbo, now Igbo they betray Igbo. Now my problem with Igbo people, now Igbo they betray Igbo. Because they want to see the country, now padi, now tribalism on a day too. They can tell on a true. My next life I will be Igbo man. Today I'm Igbo. Tomorrow I'm Igbo. Next life I will be Igbo. We're gonna no carry Niger Delta can they separate us. Sad case, Niger Delta. Now Wazobia will see. Now Wazobia will be. All these sad are political. Niger Delta are political. And I just use them to cause problem for us. We know. Nobody say we don't know. But I use them to cause wahala because they deceive us. River State man, they fight people. Imo State man, River State man, they fight Anambra man. Warren man, they fight Enugu man. Now what will they see? Now we will see. Bayelsa man, they fight Imo State man. See the politics. See problem where they come. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. Go for not. They don't see Fulani fight Fulani. If you soldiers where they go, say where they carry gun, then they say how they control them.
Exactly.
No do drop your arm. No do ceasefire. But then they see them. They don't see Hausa fight Hausa. They don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Go Lagos State. They don't see Yoruba fight Yoruba. Now for this year, we kill ourselves. Be wise. Make on a wake up. Make on a wake up. Not be when they don't kill us, finish they go come capture us. They don't kill us, they go come hold us for hand. This be wise. This be wise. I don't know why we know they wise. It invests me.
Not only you, my brother. You see? Do you understand? So and let me tell us this, in case if you don't know. This is a true life story, what I'm about to share with you now. Before we move to KCEE Limpopo. Do you know that most of the people doing content to attack Igbo people, they're doing it because they want to make content? I have a friend, maybe he's gonna watch the videos. I have my friend told me that his neighbor is a Bini guy, Edo man. Edo man is busy on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I don't know if he have maybe the person have started posting his nonsense on YouTube. I don't know. But all I can tell you is that the person keep on sharing information. Do you know his content? That Igbos are bad. Igbos are this. Igbos are this. And this, my friend, is Anambra from Anambra guy. He called me and said, "Look, this man, after each time he published a video, he will call this man Anambra guy, who happen to be a very close friend to me. He will tell the guy, nah, my brother, no verse, so now money I define, no verse. What I know about Igbo people. But so if I do other content, I know they do get much view. I know they do get more engagement. But once I talk about Igbo, my view will go up because that Igbos will be on my comment. They talk. As they talk, my algorithm they go up. You get it now. So if you don't know what people are doing to make content, do you think that people are going half naked to create content because they want to show you their body? No, they just want to build their platform with that. But what they don't know is that the damage some of these their videos are doing, they don't care. So it's left for you to use your brain and know who to watch. And that's why when I see like me, if I say it, like if I'm on social media going through platform to watch videos just to have my my quiet time and all that, just to have fun. If I go on comments and I see how our people are being feel bitter, bitter comment about some of these people using a fake identity like Sema, you see people there trying to argue, trying to talk sense. The more we are doing that, we are promoting their channel without knowing. So that let it be a lesson to us. Now, I'm happy to hear this from Asa Abuja, but not only that, let's hear from KCEE, because KCEE nearly peed on his clothes because they asked him about if he's a Biafran. Just imagine that. Even as bad as nobody they still maintain that they are Fulanis. Watch this.
Biafra. I'm from Anambra State. And Anambra, because
no, hold on. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. This guy, KCEE regret everything in this video but it's good. He just exposed himself. Now watch. Where are you from?
Anambra State. You are from Biafra. I'm from Anambra State. And Anambra, because I feel like those are Biafra people are Biafra people. And we are. I don't know how to say that. You are from Anambra State. Where are you from? Oh, all of us are. All of us are. You said what? You are saying something. So I was trying to say, we are Igbos. What now brought about the Biafra? That's our baptism name. I don't want to go deep into that because please, I want to go deep. No, I want you to go deep. No, where are you from? Anambra. Anambra State. You are from Biafra. I'm from Anambra State. And Anambra, because I feel like those are Biafra people are Biafra people. And we are. I don't know how to say that. You wish you are from Anambra State. Where are you from? Oh, all of us are. All of us are. You said what? You are saying something. So I was trying to say, we are Igbos. What now brought about the Biafra? That's our baptism name. No, I want you to go deep. No.
Now, music guy they sing. Now, this is the problem. A man, you see, this is why you don't need to. Some of us, you don't need to be angry with people who say they are not Igbo. Sometimes you don't know what the person is going through behind the scene. And an Nigerian man who is very proud. Igbo people, this case is cases today because of Igbo people. That is not the fact. And he cannot even be proud enough to say that he's a Biafran. And we always feel agitated or irritated when somebody from Nyoma or maybe say that he's not Igbo or he's not even a Biafra. If you follow Igbo can deny that he's not a Biafran, you don't have any other right to question any other person from any other tribe. Do you understand? But it's not about other tribe though. It's about you knowing what you need to know and putting it into action. If an Igbo man can go to Finland and declare Biafra before going, knowing the name they want to give the nation, in agreement that is going to call USB, United States of Biafra, and they went there, spent days, declared it. Remember, they prepared for that outing. They spent months, almost 1 year, in preparation for that declaration, and they finally landed there, declared it. They now come out and tell you that USB is USB charger. So it is normal for people to behave abnormal. But you that is not in line with that, why are you buying to the idea and funding such elements? You don't need to do that. Now here is a KCEE. You can hear what he said. He said, "Oh no, I don't want to go deep. That the Biafra is, should I say, is our baptism name? Biafra is not our. Who baptized us as a Biafra? Anyway, don't take it serious. Let him just keep on moving himself. One of the reasons why he don't want to be bold enough is because of, I'm just saying, maybe what he's getting from the system. Do you understand? You that's not gaining anything, you that is not gaining anything, you want to be like him. No, this Biafra of 18, don't bring me to that. I don't know who told that Biafra is not a crime. Anybody that want to buy you will buy you, whether not because of Biafra. Do you understand? They will still do the gara about it, but you are not, dictating for anybody. Everybody should just be on their own and live and let's live. Not the why war. Who is calling for war? No, nobody's calling for war. Now, you can see how he panicked about it. No, leave me out of this. Leave me out of this. But a woman, Destiny Etiko, says something that I want to share with you. A woman, okay? Because women, men are this, men are that. Hear what Destiny said here. Start from the beginning.
Same thing Nabikalu has been lamenting all about. Nigeria is not working well. Give us Biafra. It became a big deal. Give us Biafra. Since Nigeria is not working well, because if Nigeria is actually working well, and he's talking about Biafra, it will be as if he wants division. But at this point, it is not even about Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Everybody is in this together, and it's not funny. As a matter of fact, I just feel so bad. Same thing Nabikalu has been lamenting all about. Same thing Nabikalu has been lamenting all about. Nigeria is not working well. Give us Biafra. It became a big deal. Give us Biafra. Since Nigeria is not working well, because if Nigeria is actually working well, and he's talking about Biafra, it will be as if he wants division. But at this point, it is not even about Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba. Everybody is in this together, and it's not funny. As a matter of fact, I just feel so bad.
That is from Destiny Etiko. You can hear the emotion. You can hear, everything that she said. Compare it with that of a man, KCEE. You understand? So it's not about gender. That is why some of us are mistaking it by trying to concentrate your energy and your fund looking for a man, on a man. You want a man. Sometimes you need to just open your eyes and see who is actually ready for this. KCEE is here, peeing on his clothes, panicking, and they're not even asking me what is the condition of Nigeria today. Where are you from? From Anambra. Okay, Biafrans. He said, he don't even ask you, are you a Biafran? He said, Biafrans. Like, he said, no, from Anambra, Igbo. Because most of these people these so-called rich people you are seeing today, showing you, classic cars and everything, you don't know their source of income. Because the way he responded goes to show that if he responds correctly, that maybe his organ, his boss somewhere will punish him. If not, tell me why is he hiding about it? Why is it so difficult for him to admit it? This is something that you will be seeing it often. That does not mean that you hate him. I'm just trying to let you know, so that you cannot know who is who and what you yourself need to do. Because we are talking about your freedom here. It doesn't come on a platter of gold. You just go there and pick it. No, there are some things that you need to bypass. Just like somebody who is being limited, someone that is being caged, and not only caged, they fence you around, and you cannot even go out. There's a kind of protector around you. There's kind of a barbed wire around you. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. You know what that means. So you have to be very careful. to use narrow escape and free yourself. It's not as if the pain that the destiny is showcasing here, maybe KCEE may not know what that means because he's benefiting from the corruption. I said maybe. I don't know him much. I don't know his source of income because I doubt that it's about this KCEE. The people is making him rich like that. I doubt something, or maybe there's something behind it. Anyway, tell me what you think about it, and God bless you. Please make sure you like the video, like I always beg you to do. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Share it on any platform of your choice so that people will get to know this and understand how, you know, the situation and what you yourself need to be doing to avoid being, you know, caged like KCEE, because quest of money can take you to where you do not even wish to be. God bless you and bye-bye for now. Take care.